right? So this step is going to get us the latest version of our Gadget Shop portal onto my freshly created, newly minted LAMP web server. So it takes a fraction of a minute, depending on the speed, to download this. So I now got the website into the zip form. I have downloaded that. The next thing that I need to get is my database, right? So I now download my latest version of the schema, the database, and I'm going to use a simple utility which is MySQL. I log on to MySQL and I first export the database that I just downloaded. So basically I am exporting whatever I have and I'm importing into my newly created box. It takes a while and it's going to import everything into my local MySQL, and then I move to the appropriate directory and unzip the portal that we just downloaded, right? So that's the second step. Now I set up my website. I finally need to make one more change, which is opening up my configuration file and just changing the password to reflect the password of my current box, because I have moved from my local dev test environment to the remote box. So that's my password. And now I have saved this. Let me switch back and refresh this sample page, right? If everything goes well, you'll actually see the Gadget Shop going live on cloud, and this was all in less than 5 minutes, right? Thank you. This is just scratching the surface. There are many more things that are possible. I could actually scale it out. I can make this auto scale. I can make it self-discoverable in terms of health. If something goes wrong, the server creates another instance, attaches itself. This is just the beginning, but that's the promise of the cloud. So how do you get started? What's in it for you? What does it take for you to get onto the cloud? Well, I just want to articulate that, but before that, there are a lot of companies that have already gone live. Some of the customers from APAC and India, some very well-known names like NDTV, Redbus. Redbus runs 100% on Amazon Web Services, very successful. Hungama runs a lot of their BollywoodHungama.com and digital assets on AWS. For you to get started, it's very simple. Visit aws.amazon.com, sign up, learn the basics. It's not very difficult. Start a small project, something like what I have shown, and review your results and start expanding the AWS usage. So this is my email ID and my Twitter handle. Feel free to get in touch with me. I want to announce all the attendees sitting here today attending TechSparks will get a $25 credit coupon from AWS that you can redeem. So great. $25 on cloud is a lot because we are talking about 6 cents and 8 cents of server hourly time. So leverage that and go ahead with your first pilot. And this is my email ID, that's my Twitter handle. Get in touch with me if you have queries around Amazon Web Services. Thank you.